These horns. How to reset for 2021, reflect and set your goals properly, the 4x4 method. And as this year is for sure coming to an end, a challenging year for a lot of us, to be able to turn this year still into a bucket of potential, I'm here to share with you my 4x4 method. Not to be confused with this lovely vehicle. I'm talking about all you need is 4 pieces of paper or your journal, pens you like, and some quiet time to get cozy and reflective. Let's get started, and if you like to level up your 21st century super skills, you are in the right place. Consider subscribing to get your free inputs every week, and don't forget to hit the bell. First paper and category you want to focus on is 4 things you've achieved, whatever time scope you focus on. Write down my achievements of, I'll go for 2020, and then distribute your 4 achievements onto the paper. You need a little bit of space because now you want to create a 4x4 of every category, meaning for each achievement, ask yourself, what are the 4 learnings, skills, powers, in short, your 4 gains of each of them. For example, I'm writing down for sure starting this YouTube channel, despite the fact that I've been totally terrified of social media for a long time. I gained 1, confidence, better than perfect attitude, an inspiring community, creative toolbox to share, meaning I can serve way better. If you'd ask me, hey Hedi, do you know any kind of feedback or team building activity? I can say, sure. It's so awesome. I wanted to have that for years. I think you get the idea. 4x4 for your achievements. If you feel like, wow, this year was more about making ends meet or making sure the kids are okay and educated from home, that is a big achievement. You've managed to keep your family safe and on the roll. That's super big. Don't focus on professional things only. What your heart tells you goes on paper. This is for no other than yourself. And if it feels artificial to write down 4 gains for each achievement, heck it. Nobody is watching. It's just a framework to help you structure your thoughts, and you're more than welcome to write down less or more. Okay? The next category is all about gratitude. Gratitude is such a powerful emotion, if not the most powerful one. So don't miss out on that. What are 4 things that you were truly grateful for in 2020? Little or big, doesn't matter at all. Write down, I'm so grateful, and then again, write down 4 things. I know this seems awkward if you're like, what the fuck? It was all bad. But I mean, it's all a matter of perspective, and you have the choice to still gain from this year. The story you tell yourself, the thoughts you let your brain enter, it's all your choice. And again, little or big. I wrote down, I'm grateful that my family is happier and closer than ever before, which is a fact. I'm so grateful that for the first time in my life, I do what I absolutely love and what is true to me in my heart, which is this channel and the academy I'm building. Once you've written it down, take it in for a moment. Feel this amazing gift 2020 was, after all, and then take each of the 4 and think about what do you want to do in 2021 to make sure to keep this fire and feeling burning. And again, look at each of what you've written down individually. Then next category is 4x4 on what do you want to achieve in 2021. What are your goals? What are 4 things you'd like to have ticked at the end of 2021? First of all, professionally, and for the last paper, personally. So on this paper, write down, in 2021, I want to achieve, and then dream big. Be realistic, but dream big. If you don't have a business, that's fine. What do you want to achieve in your professional life in general? Maybe you want to become more skilled in certain areas. Whatever it is perfect. For me, just as an example, it would be, first of all, successful launch of the Powerhouse Activation Formula, which is a course for moms who want to use their mom change process to their advantage. Chaka. Whatever it is that is true to you, write it down. After that, you know what we need to do. Not need, but can. Take each of your goals and then ask yourself again, what are 4 things for each of them that need to be done to get there? Some might be very concrete to-dos, some are maybe too far in the future, so too vague. Don't worry, it's a living document, so you can always come back later. So for me, concrete to-dos are, for the one launch, for instance, for the Powers Activation Formula, I need to do ads, private mailing to communities, have to reach out to influencers, and finish 4 modules still on the software I'm using. Then I'll be done. So you get the idea, I hope. It's giving you a very concise overview on what's on the plate for 2021, and it should help you to really make your dreams come true. Last paper, almost done. Personally, as I said, the exact same formula. First, what I want to achieve in 2021 personally, write down the 4 goals, and then what needs to be done to get there for each of them. Simple and beautifully. If you're done, make sure to hang it up so you can see and it's not just a one-time project. If you like, add deadlines or due dates, and then simply rock the year called 2021. Forward this to a friend, to people who can benefit from this. Know that you're awesome. Lots of love, and see you very, very soon here on this channel. Bye-bye.